Dreams are always beautiful, and when it turns to reality, it is much more beautiful than the dreams. This journey is all about our friendship, our love, our togetherness, and our feelings. Tabo is a small town in Lahoul Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. This town is surrounded by mountains and situated on the bank of Spiti river. This place is famous for its Buddhist temple, which is one of the oldest Buddhist enclave in Himalayan region. In winters, the temperatures even drops to minus 45 degrees centigrade here in Tabo. On our way to Kaza comes Dhankar Monastery. Now we are at an altitude of 13,000 feet from the sea level. We stopped here for some time. The surroundings view from this place is so beautiful that you can't control yourself without a selfie. We all had a good photography session here. Around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and we are at Hikkim village, which is at 14,500 feet. This place holds the record for the highest post office and polling station in the world. We all take the pride to send letters from this highest post office on the earth. Some of my friends are very much excited to hold snow for the first time in their life. After spending some precious moments here, we return to Kaza, which is the nearest town to this Hikkim village.
Most beautiful thing about this is it's so beautiful, so beautiful.
We had spent a beautiful night at Kaza in our so-called big boss house and had lots of fun. Hi friends, this was all about our Spiti trip. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, like and share the video and do subscribe my channel for more videos. Love you all. Bye.